Now let's look at this figure 21-20, and it deals with all immersion type equipment and hermetically sealed type equipment. Article 100 defines such equipment. That's part 3 now, Article 100. And then 500.7 L and J, or I and J, excuse me, would list this equipment that you could use in these Class 1 Division 2 locations. And notice one rule for the equipment is the contacts are hermetically sealed, all emerged in all. And then notice a general purpose enclosure is permitted to be used like a Hoffman box, for example. And then, of course, you know, the oil industry, other chemical industries like that would use Hoffman boxes with hermetically sealed contacts and all emerged type contacts for industrial type control equipment in some cases. And that equipment is, approved by 500.8A by owner's engineering judgment. And then, of course, the authority having jurisdiction, if they're in charge of approving the system, would have to approve it as such, or get a NERDL put on it by a, say UL or ETL or Factory Mutual, for example. Now notice the areas to check here is 501.105B1 for instruments, relays, and meters. Exception 1 and Exception 2. One exception deals with just general purpose equipment with hermetically sealed contacts, or all emerged type contacts. And then the other exception, deals with the non-incentive circuits that we just called out in a previous illustration. And then, of course, 501.150B1, Exception 1 and 2, deals with control circuits, signaling circuits, alarm circuits, fire alarm circuits, and so forth. And, of course, you see here in J, you're seeing hermetically sealed type equipment. So basically, that's what this all emerging and hermetically sealed contacts in Article 100 and 500.7I and J is illustrating to the user of the NEC.